Today I will be doing my puzzle, so I do not have to wash the plank. Isn't that great? Okay. It's a little hard to memorize this. Aha. Okay. There we go. Down there. Aha. See these two, you put those together. Then the very edge. Ta-da. Now I put this piece to the very corner. See, there you go. Now you put this piece. This should overlap this. Put that in there. That like that. There. Now put that right there. But you can do this both ways. Put it in that way, and take them out and reverse them. Like that, too. Alright, so I'll keep it like that. Flip it over. Perfect. Now, take that. Put it over. And here's the bottom. Ta-da! Thank you.